Good morning, students. I hope you all are well, healthy, and safe at your home. I think everybody know that Christ the King Convent School start online classes. I'm Mrs. Radhika, computer teacher. I'm going to teach computer to class 5th. Before the explanation of chapter, let me tell you the syllabus of first term. So please take out your book and mark the chapters those are included in first term syllabus. So in first term syllabus, two chapters are included. First chapter is evolution of computer and the second chapter is presentation software special effect. Please mark it. Now next topic is evolution of computer. This is the first chapter in your book. This chapter will cover the 7 topics. So first topic is concept of counting. Second chapter is earlier calculating device. Third chapter is the first electronic mechanical computer. Fourth is the first electronic computer. Fifth, personal computer. In short, we call it as a PC. Sixth topic is characteristics of computer. And seventh topic is disadvantages of computers. These 7 topics we will cover in this chapter, that is the evolution of computer. Now this is the first topic, concept of counting. I think everybody know that the computer is an electronic machine that touch every aspect of our life. Computer has its own history. It has been a combination of efforts and ideas of many people from all over the world. The concept of counting started with the existence of human beings. In ancient time, people used to count with the help of stones, pebbles, bones, sticks, fingers, toes, etc. and store the information by making mark on wall, pillar, rocks, etc. Now the next topic is early calculating device. So there are so many early calculating devices are available. Number 1 is abacus. Number 2, Napier bones. Number 3, Pascaline, that is the first mechanical computer. Number 4, Leibniz calculator. Number 5, Babbage analytical engine. And 6 is tabulating machine. These are the 6 earlier calculating devices. Now number 1 is abacus. This is a picture of abacus device. Abacus was the first calculating device invented about 5,000 years ago by Chinese. Simple calculations like addition and subtractions can be performed using an abacus. It is still in use in different parts of world. Now name of the second device is Napier bones. This is the diagram of Napier bones. This is the picture of Napier bone. In 1617, a Scotch mathematician John Napier invented a calculating device called Napier bone. This device is a set of rectangular rows marked with number on them. It was made for simple calculations like addition, subtraction, and multiplication of numbers. Later on, it was improved to perform division and to find the square root also. Now, the name of third device is Pascaline, that is the first mechanical computing machine. In 1642, a French mathematician named Blaise Pascal invented the first mechanical computing machine known as Pascaline. It consists of a box with movable gears that could add, subtract, multiply and divide the numbers very easily. Now the fourth device is Leibniz calculator. The name of this device is step reckoner. In 1692, the more advanced calculating machine named step reckoner was developed by a German mathematician, Gottfried Wilhelm von Leibniz. It could perform all four basic mathematical operations, that is, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now, the fifth calculating device is Babbage's analytical engine. In 1822, a mathematician professor of Cambridge University, England, Charles Babbage developed a machine known as a difference engine. It could perform mathematical operations automatically. However, in 1833, Babbage had a better idea and he stopped working on difference engine and started designing another machine called analytical engine. It has 5 features: input, control unit, storage, output devices, and processor. All these 5 features are found in today's modern computers. Therefore, Charles Babbage is also known as the father of the computer. These are the pictures of analytical engine, this one, and this is the picture of difference engine. Now, the name of sixth device is tabulating machine. In 1890, Hermann Hollerith, an army engineer, invented a tabulating machine. This tabulating machine was used in census. Census means to count the population. It gave a quick count of the population. The use of the tabulating machine was so successful that Hollerith formed a company that later became famous as the International Business Machine, or IBM. So these are the earlier calculating device. First is abacus, second Napier-Bone, third Pascaline, fourth Leibniz calculator, fifth Babbage analytical engine, and sixth tabulating machine. In this video, I covered these two topics. First is concept of counting and second is earlier calculating device. Rest of the content, rest of the topics I will cover in my next video. Thank you.